Calling is an integral part of Microsoft Teams. In this video, we're going to show you a few different ways to utilize audio and video calling to make staying connected easier than ever. You can schedule a future meeting by navigating to the calendar section on the left side of the screen. From here, select New Meeting in the top right corner. Enter your meeting details, invite your participants, and select Schedule. When it comes time to join the meeting, simply select the Join button. You also have the ability to initiate a call through the chat section. Select the individual or group you'd like to call, then select the audio or video icon in the top right corner. Once you join or initiate a call through chat or calendar, you'll be presented with a few options allowing you to select your audio and video source. If you're on the desktop version of Teams, you even have the ability to blur or replace your background to remove distractions. Once you are on the call, you can toggle your audio, video, and even share your screen. Select the three dots to access additional settings like recording the meeting, managing devices, and more. Along this bottom bar, you even have quick access to your call chat and participant list. When you're ready to leave the meeting, simply select the red button on the right. Don't worry, this will remove you from the call but won't affect other participants.